Hello children, welcome back to my channel Learning Time with NK. In this video, we will learn a new story. A story of vowel E sound. And what is the sound of E? E. The sound of E is E. Now let's see. E sound story, and we will read et sound words, egg sound words, N sound words, EU sound words and ed sound words. ET et, EG egg, ENN, EWU, ED ed. Once upon a time, there were two men. They decided to catch a hen. M-N, men, H-N, hen. N sound words. These two words are N sound. So they went to the market with their pet to buy a net. P-et, pet. N-et, net. Pet and net, they are the et sound words. Et. Then the men caught the hen and went back home in a jet. Men. M-N, men, H-N, hen, J-et, jet, N and et. At home, the men fed the hen and hen laid an egg. M-N, men, F-ed, fed, H-N, hen, egg, egg. Then they went to the market and bought 10 red pen. 10, T-N, 10, R-ed, red, P-N, pen. In the market, they met their best friend Ben. Met, M-et, met. B-N, ben. M-et, met. B-N, ben. Suddenly it started raining and they all got wet. Wet, wet. When it rains, we all get wet. We all get wet. Wet, wet. When they came home, they were tired and one of them said, "My leg is paining." Leg, L-egg, leg. Egg sound, L-egg, leg. And then the men went in the room and slept on the bed. B-ed, bed. B-ed, bed. We also sleep on the bed. B-ed, bed.